everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Wise. To get started, let's open Wise app. Now it will open this interface. Here you can see profile icon in top left corner. Click on it. It will now navigate you to the profile page. Here you can see logout option as shown in interface. So click on it. And you will be successfully logged out from Wise. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.